All right, so if you missed the last video, this was the install I did. It was the hood scoop overlay by Underground Graphics. This is called Bronco on the Rocks for good reason. If you see on the side, there's a Bronco traveling on top of the rocks. I did state that there was another video coming, and this is it. So I have purchased the matching side stripes for the rockers. And if you missed the last video, then go back and check that one out, please. It's going to explain to you, I did a wet install on these rocker stripes, but I also did a wet install on the hood overlay, and it explains the reason why I did that. Okay, so now what I did was I let the graphics sit overnight to get rid of some of that moisture. So yesterday we had a high of 81, and this morning we had a low of 44, and then we're going to have a high of 60. So the temperature changed on me drastically, and that's going to affect how this dries. So please excuse the jackhammer noise in the background and the high wind, because we have both. But I am ready to squeegee whatever else is left. I let this sit overnight, and I've left it sit in the sunlight to get rid of some of this moisture. I'm still going to have to do some squeegeeing. If you see, that's a bubble right there. That's probably has liquid in it. But I'm ready to do this. So the other side is done, and this is the passenger side. We'll go ahead and get this completed for you. All right, I want to show you something real quick while kind of hard to film and to show you this at the same time. But what I'm doing is when I'm pulling this protective layer back, I'm also holding down the vinyl like this with my felt side squeegee. Just to keep it from lifting up, and I'm also pushing air bubbles. I don't know if you can see those two air bubbles right there, but they'll be gone as soon as I push them up. Now remember this, I'm doing a wet install, and they recommend doing a dry install. So I can't stress that enough for you guys. I understand now why. What happens is this backing, if you can see right here, it keeps some of the moisture in. I guess it's going to be an air release type of deal. So that moisture gets trapped in there. It could make things harder to dry out. So I understand why, but like I said, I'm more comfortable with a wet install, so that's why I did it. Also, this excess material right here between the body panels, I am going to wrap this around. Now on this last piece, it was made too short. I contacted them at Underground Graphics, and they are actually cutting two new pieces for me, and they are going to send them to me. I spoke with one of the guys that actually does the cutting, and he is actually changed the dimensions. And I mean, like I said, this is great customer service from these guys, but I should be getting these two pieces in any day now. And I'll just peel this back one off and replace it. This is in front of the rear fender. So yeah. Like I said, excellent service from these guys. I'm very, very impressed. I've probably ordered from them 3 or 4 times already now. So if you get a chance, check out their Instagram, check out their YouTube channel, and check out their website. They are Underground Graphics from Houston, Texas. Okay, those of you who can hear the jackhammer noise in the background, I'm sorry about that. I think somebody's getting a hell of a home renovation or something. So this is the driver's side. It's in the shade. This is the hood overlay that I did the day before, and this is the passenger side, so you'll see this in the sunlight, and hopefully you can see some of the metallic in there in that gray. I think it came out really good. This was a scary install, I will tell you that. I thought I was going to lose these Bronco windows one day, but all done. Complete job, guys. Let me know what you think about the graphics. Don't be scared to comment, guys. Let me know what you think. And once again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm gone in 60, and I'll see you soon.